In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a new Yahoo account. What you have to do is open an internet browser like Google Chrome, open a new tab, and you will have to type inside it mail.yahoo.com and hit enter, and you will end up on this page. Once you are here, select create an account from here down below, and you will have to type here your information as an example. Full name Alex, last name William, new Yahoo email. You can choose between few examples which Yahoo gave you, or you can type your own alexwilliam@yahoo.com, but I doubt it's available and it's not. I think instead I will type here the name of my YouTube channel, which is lightextechmedia@yahoo.com, and this one is available. Now select a password here. I will recommend you to create a strong one with uppercases, lowercases, symbols and numbers, and once you're done with that, at date of birth, enter your birthday date, and once you're done with that, you can press on the terms and also the privacy policies to read them, and if you agree with them, you can select I agree to these items. Once you read those, you can press on next, and at this step you will have to type your phone number. After you type your phone number, you can either press on get code by text, which will send your code via messages, via SMS, but I will select get code on WhatsApp because that is where I'd like to get my verification code on WhatsApp. Once you get your verification code, you will have to type it here in the box down below. Now I will select next, and this was the final step. My Yahoo account has been created. I hope this tutorial helped you out to create a new Yahoo email account. Thanks for watching.